Hi guys, Ricky House. We're talking about talk about cooking once again. We're talking about with the supper drinking at home. Let's see you look. I am in the kitchen. We'll show you around with the talk about, okay? I'm gonna sing it at once today. We have a retelling with the bridge. Now I want to show you something. The drinking at home. The drinking look. I have the supper I have spaghetti and meatball. Chili there, you know? I'm gonna show you in the mail, okay? Alright. We're gonna go on the bridge. I'm gonna show you something. Hope it's not fall off. Alright. What's right now? We have the tree at home. We got what is that? Chicken. Yeah, chicken fry, beef, steak. What's that good? Let's see, there's no one here. Too many stars between so much in the store. Same kind. Now I'm gonna put it back. This is a supper. It can you can't take a look. You can keep it home. I'll be right back. Okay. Alright. I'm back, guy. I'm back. So we walk over here to the bridge. That's a big one. Okay, I'm gonna show you the alright. Does it sound good? Okay. Let me show you something, guy. This is the spaghetti I like. I had supper last night. Sounds good. You gotta put a microwave about 3 minutes. And that's the same kind I showed you before. And this one, ooh, I like a mac and cheese. I'm best. That was so good. Mac and cheese. So now we're gonna top the bridge. So we have the lunch today. We have a vegetarian. Okay, I'm gonna make the white cream and butter and cheese. I'm like crazy, you know. Yeah, we're gonna sit down. We're gonna put back in your can warm. Alright. We got 3 minutes. We gotta wait a bucket. We got sorry. We got right now, okay? So, let me see here. Not having here with Kevin. Yeah, with the white cream going here, and what's in here? You know, what's the butter? Or no butter. And let's see, you got here. Let me get the C somehow. Where does she go? That's crazy. Let me see here. get no sheet around here. I guess I get the butter like cream, I guess. Right. So, here's the white cream. You got the butter. You got the salmon. Okay. I'm gonna close it in there. There you go. Now we're gonna get a bowl right now. The second one, salt bowl, right? Nobody tasked me, I guess. I mean, oh, you leave it away. I'm hungry. Alright. We'll get a bowl. So, yesterday, yesterday I ate lunch. I had a big lunch. And we have boys and chairs. I got chips, small bag of chips. I got a salad. That sounds good. And the banana. I almost got it with my cheese stick. Oh well. And we got put it on the table. It sounds good, see? Yum, yum. So, I'll put all the bowl in here, some type of bread. Alright. That's good. Hope so. Right. I put a bowl in here. Put back to the rest. And then shut the door right tight. Right. So we'll put back in the microwave. About 2 minutes or 2 minutes. Okay, got 2 minutes now. So I still remember one time ago, I was to go home. My staff named Tammy, I know her name is. Me and her making a peanut butter cookie. Peanut butter cookie. I still remember that. That's a good cookie because very good taste. And Tammy nice, so that was a good home Worcester. So she was a nice girl. But so I'm checking stuff like him and nobody checking Facebook, stuff like that. That's about 9 minutes, that's good. So we're outside. 28 degrees outside. So it'll be high about 32. 32 degrees, tomorrow will be, wait a second here. There you go. That's a face skin, I'm touching somebody. So tomorrow will be high 50s. Tonight will be 18, it was so cold I can't go Tomorrow will be high 50s, tomorrow night 41. Monday will be high 40, will be high 48, 41 in the moment today night, Monday night. Excuse me. Oh, will be Tuesday will be up at 57 degrees outside. It was 36 Tuesday night. Wednesday will be high 52. We'll go down to 34. Thursday will be high 50s. It's 39. It's 34. On Friday it will be high 41 and it'll go down 27 Friday night. Ooh, I know that's so cool. So we can get them in Mega right now. I know like cold weather outside, you know. No way. Alright. Yeah, it's so hot now. So, I'm gonna give this to me. Okay. Hey, this now. Don't tell nobody about the solar puppet. I'm not crazy around here. Alright. It was so. I'll find a tree not home. Alright. You can get my fork about butter and white cream is. So, we get a butter burst. And, now I'm gonna put back in the bridge. I think I want to get butter, get milk. You get it. Alright. We're gonna put back in the okay. We got a white cream here. We have a white cream about right here, right here. That's the dirty cream. We're gonna put way big cream. We're gonna. Okay. We go down when we get stuck. Hmm. Hmm. Put back in branch. Low. We'll try to get him. Alright, there you go. And put back in the sink. So there you go. Here's my lunch. With pretty cool. Let me see what we get. Well, back in the washroom by cooking kitchen, microwave. So let's try with maybe not freaking sorry. Maybe other than, maybe cooking that freaking microwave between the home. So you have a good day, you have a good day. So I'll see you this time. Have a good night. Bye bye.